only do cardio at the gym, mother trucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal gal, and my club dance moves are embarrassing.
I go to the gym and I hit the treadmill. I wear my Lululemon to give the boys a thrill. I read the tabloids in the grocery store. I need my updates about Brad, Jen, and Jersey Shore. I can't afford drinking all my alcohol, so I mooch from the guys who think I will call. Sometimes a beer, sometimes a wine. The amount of money I save, this shit will blow your mind.
And I'm not very good with the monthly visits. I'm a pretty moody person, so I like to knit. Last time I had ice cream was 2 minutes ago, and I'm ashamed to admit it, but it was with cookie dough. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal gal. I have to pee 10 times an hour, mother trucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal gal. I shave my legs with Venus, mother trucker.
Just a regular, everyday, normal gal. I'll eat dessert instead of supper, mother trucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal gal. And I get scared when I'm lighting propane.
I'm the Bella Swan of every average day. I wish Edward or Jacob would be my fiance. I have a really nice personality. At least that's what my mother has been telling me. If you creep me on Facebook, I find that quite normal. I've already beat you to it. I like to keep things informed. I have over 1,000 friends on my account, but I sincerely only like a small amount.
Please don't poke me. I don't find it cool. In fact, I find it a very useless tool.
If you like fat free, put your hands up.
If you fit a double D, put your hands up.
This is awkward. If you get bad cramps, put your hands up.
And if you watch The Bachelorette, put your hands up.
So I watch The Bachelorette every Monday, and I just don't understand why these relationships don't work out. Like, clearly they're so in love. Like,